myself Deepthi, and today I am here. I have a surprise for you guys. Just watch till the end. Are you facing any problem in making the resume? And don't worry, the app is there which is called as Digital Resume, which helps you in building a professional and a beautiful resume. Okay, you must be wondering what is that surprise and what is this app meant for? Is this app really genuine and helpful for us? Yes, this app is a very beautiful app and indeed it helps you a lot. Okay, let me reveal the surprise. And if you refer the app to your friend, then you will be earning rupees 5 per head. Only by referring you do not get the amount, but the thing is like your friend has to register in that app and he has to make a resume in that app. Then only you will be getting the rupees 5 and you can earn up to 1000. And this is like a pocket money for you students. For the students, it is a very golden opportunity to gain some money in this lockdown. Then this video was informative, I guess, and hope we meet in the next video. Until then, take care guys, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, if you have any queries regarding this video, then drop that question in the comment box so we'll get to know what the query you have and we will solve it as soon as possible.